In this open response question, we're going to compare two cell phone plans. And specifically, we're going to determine the difference in the total cost between the two plans if we're going to use 237 minutes of talk time in 1 month. Well, let's break down Plan A and see what it's all about. We can see that Plan A is $17 per month plus 25 cents per minute for additional talk time. Well, if I let C be the total cost, it's going to equal the $17 per month, so we write that as 17, plus, so we can see we got a plus here, the 25 cents per minute. So we say that as plus 0.25 times the number of minutes that we're going to use. And I'm going to write in N here to represent the number of minutes, or in this case actually the additional minutes that we're going to be using each month. All right, next let's break down Plan B. So for Plan B, we spend $20 per month and then 15 cents per minute for additional talk time. So the total cost for Plan B would be the $20 per month plus the 15 cents, or 0.15, times the additional minutes. And again, this would be the same variable N to represent those additional minutes. Now, to work these equations out, we need to know what N is. So N represents our additional minutes. And we also see that we get 200 minutes for free. Well, if we're using 237 minutes and we get 200 minutes for free, how many minutes are additional? And we can do that over here. We can say, well, we're using 237. Take away the 200 free minutes we get each month. That means we're using 37 additional minutes. So we can plug this value in for N in each case and determine what the total cost is. So for Plan A, C would be $17 plus 0.25 times 37. And for Plan B, the total cost would be 20 plus 0.15 times 37. So C would equal 17 plus that calculation, that multiplication, which works out to be $9.25 when we multiply those two values together. And for Plan B, the cost would be 20 plus 0.15 times 37, which works out to be $5.55. So for Plan A, if we add those two values together, the total cost in 1 month would be $26.25. And for Plan B, the total cost would be $25.55. So finally, we have to determine the difference in the total cost for this many minutes. Well, over on the side here again, that would be the $26.25 for Plan A minus the $25.55 for Plan B. And when we subtract that, that would be 0. Carry the 1 for that, that would be 7. 0.7. So what is the difference in total cost? The difference is 0.7, $0, or if you like, 70 cents.